Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be doing my September Boxyluxe unboxing. I have not done like a Boxycharm video on my channel in quite a while, so I did want to come on here and show you guys everything that I got in my Boxyluxe for the month of September. So before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing a huge giveaway right now. You guys do not want to miss out on that. It'll be ending very soon. I did extend the deadline a little bit so you guys have more time to enter. I'll have a link for it in my description box below. Then I'll also have the giveaway video up here in the cards if you guys want to watch that. Today's post notification shout out goes to Anna. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you want to be the next shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on, and that's it. It's super easy. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so here is how my Boxyluxe came this month. I feel like the shape of the Boxyluxe is always different each time. Before I've had like more square boxes, and this time it is a rectangle. So I just looked through my entire box and I cannot find like the little pamphlet that tells you about each of the products and then gives you like prices. So I'm probably just gonna have to look everything up. I don't know if there was supposed to be one in this Boxyluxe. Let me know if you guys get Boxyluxe and if yours had the pamphlet in it or not. But the first thing that I saw on top is this, and it's all bubble wrapped. It looks like a palette. So this is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. Let's open this up. Okay, so these look really pretty actually. Here are what the shades look like. I feel like you do have like some of your really essential shades in here. Like I feel like this shade is going to be really pretty for highlighting the inner corner. Then we have some really nice like matte shades for in the crease, and then we also have some like pops of color like this shade right here. I do feel like this is like an exciting thing to get in the box, so I am actually happy about this. So next up I got another palette, and I'm really confused because I got this in my first Boxyluxe I think that I ever got, which was like a year ago. This is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. I thought that I saw somewhere that if you already got this, you weren't gonna get it again, but I ended up getting it again, which I'm not like upset that I got it again because I don't have this palette anymore. I didn't really use mine very often. I think I used it like 1 or 2 times, and then I ended up selling it on Poshmark. But here is what the palette looks like. This is a super nice palette. I love the packaging of this. And then it has a bunch of really good like contour and highlight shades. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this or not. I did like this palette whenever I had it the first time. I just didn't find myself using it very often. That's why I did sell mine on Poshmark. So the next thing that came in my box is this, and this is the Sutra Beauty, I believe is how you say it, 1 1/4 clipless curling iron. So this looks pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I don't know that I'm gonna keep this either because I have a ton of curling irons. So it comes in this nice bag. So here is what it looks like. This is really big. I feel like I would not be able to use this anyways, even if I was gonna keep it, because I do have pretty like thin hair, and I just don't ever use a super big like wand like this, but I do feel like this is really nice to get in the box. I don't know if everybody got this. There might have been like different variations. I personally really like getting hair tools. I think last Boxyluxe I got like a mini hair dryer, and I literally use it every single day. So this is exciting, but I'll probably just put this in a giveaway just because it's a little bit too big for my hair and I have a ton of curling wands already. So next up we have this product right here. This is from the brand IGK, and this is their Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. So this looks pretty interesting. I do like the packaging a lot. I think it looks super cute. It says that this is made with coconut oil. It's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh down your hair. It says it's good for dry, coarse, and frizzy hair if you want smooth, soft, and hydrated hair. It says that you apply it to damp or dry hair, air dry, or blow out. I kind of want to put some of this on my hair just because it says you can use it on dry hair. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. So here's what it looks like. I was imagining like a white type balm, but it actually is clear. It feels really nice and it smells so good. I put some on the ends of my hair because my ends are like super dry. So this actually does feel really nice. I'm really excited about this. Normally I don't get like very excited about hair care products, but I actually am really excited about this, and I'm obsessed with the scent of this. So next up I have this product here from Dr. Brandt. This is their Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. I believe that I got their Hydrobiotic Cleanser in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus like very recently because I did already use the entire bottle. I did like that cleanser a lot, so I'm actually really excited about this. It says that it deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. It says that your supposed to apply it to clean, dry skin before bedtime. Don't rinse and use nightly. I'm not sure if you're supposed to use this like with a regular moisturizer as well. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on this, but I am really excited about this. I have always loved Dr. Brand's products, and these are really expensive. So next up, I did get another skincare product in here. This is the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream, and I am really excited about this. This is a moisturizer, and I have heard really good things about this. I also did get recently in one of my Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses the Sunday Riley, I believe it was like a vitamin C moisturizer. It was like the same style packaging of this, but it was orange. And I'm sure this is really expensive. If I had to guess, probably like 60 something dollars. This smells, oh, I just got on my lip. I feel like this smells like green tea or something. That smells interesting to me. It says that this is a lightweight oil-free gel cream moisturizer for instantly glowing dewy skin. It says that it has 2 forms of advanced hyaluronic acid. It says that it also has refining papaya enzyme to smooth the look of texture or dehydrated skin. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. I feel like we got really good skincare products in this Boxyluxe. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using both of those. And then I have 2 products left, and they are both makeup products. First up, we have the Stila Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Patina Shimmer, and I do already own this, so I'll probably put this in a giveaway. But Patina is like their most iconic Stila like liquid lipstick shade, and I think this one is so pretty. I love the shimmer in this shade, so yeah, this will probably be going in a giveaway for you guys. And then the last thing I have here is from the brand Hank and Henry. This is their long wear liquid eyeliner. This is in the shade Black. I don't normally use like liquid liners like this very often, so I'll probably be passing this along as well. So that is everything that I got in my Boxyluxe for the month of September. Overall, I feel like this was a really good Boxyluxe, regardless of like repeat products and products that I won't use. I still feel like everything we got was really good. I feel like there are actually a lot of products, like the skincare products, and then the palettes that I got in this box, and then the hair mask that I'm going to be using a ton. Normally I have like quite a few products that I give away, but in this box I think there's only like 3 things that I'm going to be giving away, so that's really exciting that I actually am going to be enjoying some of my products that I got in my Boxyluxe. If you guys get BoxyCharm or Boxyluxe, leave me a comment down below with what you guys got in your box this month. I always love hearing like what you guys get, because there are always different variations of the boxes. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'm gonna have all of the products that I mentioned in today's video linked in my description box below if you guys want to check any of them out. I'll also have a link to BoxyCharm if you guys want to check that out as well. And then I'm also gonna have a link to the giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. And before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.